Restoring a system from Norton Ghost backup and dealing with D0G split image files. These are continuation segments of multi-volume disk images. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these Norton Ghost split disk image files for system restoration. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium D0G file inspection utility designed for broad-spectrum file support. A user finds a D0G file as part of a larger backup set created by Norton Ghost. This file is not a standalone image, but a segment of a full disk image that was split to fit on smaller media like CDs or DVDs. The user's goal is to restore a complete system or access specific files from the backup. The D0G file is a binary data chunk representing a sequential part of a larger GHO disk image. This segmentation was designed for legacy storage limitations, allowing massive backups to be archived across multiple physical devices. The file contains raw compressed disk data and requires the other parts for a successful restoration. There's a proprietary link between the D0G format and Ghost Solution Suite by Broadcom Inc. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows offers only a shell-level preview, so full access depends on mounting software. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the D0G file and click Open With. Test Ghost Solution Suite if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If you still cannot open your D0G file, that is okay. You've exhausted the easy options. We must now test these specific common failure points to definitively isolate the source of the D0G error. First, restoring with Norton Ghost. Launch Norton Ghost or Symantec Ghost from bootable media or installed application. Use the restore function and point to the original GHO file or first split segment. Ghost automatically locates and reassembles all D0G continuation segments, completing the disk image restoration to target hardware. Next, using modern imaging software. Install Symantec Ghost Solution Suite, the modern enterprise version that handles legacy Ghost formats. Alternative tools like Macrium Reflect Free or Acronis True Image may also support Ghost split images. These provide modern restoration capabilities for legacy backups created with older Norton Ghost versions. Finally, joining split segments. Use the Ghost Walker or Ghost Explorer utilities to inspect and rejoin split disk image segments. The tools verify segment integrity and reconstruct complete disk images for restoration. Maintain all D0G files alongside the master GHO file, as missing segments cause restoration failures, losing complete backup content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.